Making sure that workers during a maintenance job are safe is the key topic of Lockout Tagout. Part of the story is that all kind of potential dangers have to be locked out during a maintenance job. Dangers such as oil, hydraulics, pneumatics, or others. A lot of those potential dangers typically go through certain pipes and can be locked out or turned down by ball valves, for example. To make sure that the flow of energy is stopped during the maintenance work, you turn off the ball valve and use one of those very well-known devices to lock out the ball valve. But what happens if the ball valve has a certain size where those devices cannot help? What happens if ball valves are so close to each other because the pipes are so big that this device or a similar device in a different size does not happen? How can we ensure that the flow of energy is still stopped? And this is where ABUS comes into play. Because with our great V500 device, we have a universal lockout device that can be used on nearly every valve, no matter what size or what shape. Because it can be made bigger or smaller to adapt the correct size. And with its clamps, it grabs into the valve to make sure that it cannot be removed. But how does this work? Such a small device on a valve, and we'll see how easy it is to use, but how big the impact of this device is. And it is very easy to use. Just turn off the valve and clamp the V500 onto the valve until it's properly closed. But this device itself does not do anything, obviously. So together with our great Safelx cable, you pull this through, close the valve, and have a counterpoint. Close the cable, close the hasp, pull it tight, and it cannot be moved or opened again. So a small device with a big impact for everybody who is involved into maintenance, because this small device makes sure that you are safe and secure and that your life is not in danger while doing a maintenance job.